Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. This next video, or I guess I should say slideshow, is just a little taste of what I'm going to be showing you folks how to do here. You'll see a lot going on in the pictures, but basically how to come up with a design of your own, how to put that design into action and maybe produce your own boat or skiff, and what's probably the easiest way to go about doing that. There's some numbers you're going to need to crunch in order to figure out your draft, your buoyancy, and maybe even a little bit on your stability. But it's really pretty simple, and once I show you how to do it, you're just going to kind of go do one of these numbers and go, oh yeah, that's how you do it. So stay tuned, check out the slideshow, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You never know what I'm going to be putting up here. Thanks for tuning in.
That looks good right there where the motor's at.
All right, guys, so I know I left you hanging there on that last clip a little bit. The reason being is the boat isn't completed yet. I still have to install the cap, build the hatches, and a few other things. I plan on using those for future videos. How to properly bond the cap to the hull, how to make a one-off mold for some hatches and gutter work, things like that. And I just wanted to get this out there to show you guys a little bit of what we got to come in the future. So please, again, hit that like button, the subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the notification bell. I want you guys to know I appreciate you, and look forward to doing a lot more of these videos for you. Again, you just never know what I'm going to be uploading. Tomorrow might be a hog hunting video. It might be a Ozello redfish video, a homosassa tarpon video. You just never really know. So stay tuned and let's have some fun.